Only 3% of local businesses have an AI-optimized presence. That means 97% are invisible when customers ask ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI overviews, or Claude where to go next. I audited local service categories across 10 US metros: home services, medical, legal, restaurants, and automotive. I checked Google Business Profile completeness, schema markup, review freshness, entity consistency across directories, and whether the business showed up in AI answers for high-intent local queries. The result was brutal. Only about 3% of businesses cleared a basic AI readiness bar. Everyone else still looked optimized for 2019 Google, not for the answer engines customers actually use in 2026. If you run a local business, this is not a future problem. Customers already ask AI tools for recommendations before they ever open a map pack. When the AI has thin, conflicting, or stale data on you, it recommends someone else, quietly, every day. Let me show you exactly what the 3% are doing, and the 5 gaps that keep the other 97% out of AI answers. First, what AI-optimized local presence actually means. It is not a keyword-stuffed homepage. It is not posting once a week on Instagram. AI-optimized local presence means your business exists as a clean, consistent entity that answer engines can trust. That includes 5 layers. Layer number 1, a complete Google business profile with accurate categories, services, hours, attributes, and recent photos. Google AI overviews and a huge share of local AI answers still lean on this graph. Layer number 2, structured data on your website, local business schema, service schema, FAQ schema. So ChatGPT, Perplexity, and Claude can parse who you are, where you operate, and what you sell without guessing. Layer number 3, name, address, and phone consistency across every major directory. AI systems cross-check entities. One suite number mismatch or old phone number can collapse your confidence score. Layer number 4, fresh first-party proof. Reviews from the last 90 days, owner responses, case studies, and clear service area language. Stale social proof looks like a closed business to a model trained on recency signals. Layer number 5, answer-ready content. Pages that directly answer conversational queries like best emergency plumber near me open Sunday, instead of vague brochure copy. AI tools quote and cite. Pages that resolve intent in plain language. That is the bar. Most businesses clear 1 or 2 layers. The 3% clear all 5. Now why 97% fail? Failure pattern number 1, Google-only thinking. They polish maps and ignore website schema, Apple Business Connect, Yelp completeness, and citation hygiene. ChatGPT and Perplexity do not live inside your Google dashboard. Failure pattern number 2, thin entity data. Categories are generic. Services are buried in PDFs. Hours are wrong on half the directories. The AI cannot confidently say you exist for the query being asked. Failure pattern number 3, no conversational coverage. Their site ranks for HVAC contractor Dallas, but never answers who can fix my AC tonight in Plano under $500. AI overviews and chat tools reward the second type of content. Failure pattern number 4, dead review velocity. 55-star reviews from 3 years ago look impressive to humans and weak to machines that wait recent confirmation. Failure pattern number 5, conflicting signals. Different phone numbers on the website footer, Google listing, and Facebook page. Different city names in the About page versus the GBP service area. Models hate contradiction. When the signals conflict, your business gets skipped. Here is what makes this worse. The 3% who are AI ready are not always the biggest brands. They are often mid-size operators who clean their data stack early. Once AI systems lock onto a trusted local entity, switching costs rise. The longer you wait, the more your competitors compound citations, reviews, and answer share. So how do you join the 3%? Step number 1, run an entity audit this week. List every public profile that mentions your business. Google Business Profile, Apple Business Connect, Yelp, Bing Places, Facebook, industry directories, and your own site. Fix name, address, phone, and URL until they match character for character. Step number 2, complete the source of truth profiles. Fill every relevant category and service on Google Business Profile. Claim Apple Business Connect. Finish Yelp. These feed maps, Siri, Alexa signals, and the scrapers behind many AI answers. Step number 3, add local business and FAQ schema to your site. Markup address, geo coordinates, opening hours, same AS links to your profiles, and the exact services you want AI to associate with your brand. and publish FAQ pages that mirror real customer questions word for word. Step number 4. Rebuild review velocity on the platform's AI actually reads. Ask for Google reviews weekly. Respond to every review. Add recent project photos. Fresh activity is a trust signal for both classic local pack ranking and AI citation confidence. Step number 5. Write answer pages for your top 20 money queries. One page per intent includes city names, service boundaries, pricing ranges where honest, response times, and proof. This is the content ChatGPT, Perplexity, Claude, and Google AI overviews can quote when someone asks who to hire. Do those 5 steps and you move from invisible to recommendable. You do not need a 100-page content factory. You need clean entities, fresh proof, and pages that resolve intent. Let me recap the stakes. Only 3% of local businesses currently present a coherent, AI-readable local presence. 97% are still optimized for a search world that is shrinking. Customers asking ChatGPT for a dentist, Perplexity for a roofer, or Google AI overviews for a nearby clinic will get answers from the businesses the models can verify, not from the businesses with the prettiest logo. The gap is still open. Most of your competitors have not fixed their data. That window will not last. Every month of clean citations, fresh reviews, and answer-ready pages compounds. If you want Ninja to scan how AI-ready your local presence is across Google, directories, and the platforms feeding ChatGPT, Perplexity, Google AI Overviews, and Claude, go to tryninja.ai. Setup takes 2 minutes. The first scan is free. You will see exactly which gaps are keeping you in the 97%, and what to fix first to join the 3% that AI actually recommends. Stop optimizing only for clicks. Start optimizing for answers.